Hey guys, it is June 28th and today we are going to, I don't know where, so we'll ask. Where are we going again? Where are we going again? Where are we going?
Not sure.
You don't know? Okay,
Golden
well,
Gate Park, maybe?
no, Golden Gate Park maybe. So obviously no one knows where we're going, but we're going somewhere, driving there. So I don't know where we're going, but I guess I'll just vlog today. But makeup, hair, half up, half down, wearing same sweater from Washington, Kate Spade purse, jeans, Converse, and yeah. And then sister's wearing the same thing too, as always. So we'll see you guys later.
Snakes are here.
So I found some snakes.
Hey, look, there's one behind you.
I need to throw up.
The one up there.
Oh my goodness. Look, it's a rattlesnake and ugh. We're at the California Science museum thing, and I found the fish that ate Nemo's mom. I couldn't even look at it because I'm so mad at him. But aquarium. Found a fish tank. This is where we should take the picture. You know what I'm talking about?
I don't think you're allowed to take pictures.
Why? Let's go show them the fish that ate Nemo. These are the fishes that ate Nemo's mom. Look at it. It's like an alligator looking thing. They're gross. Look at it. So we just finished watching a show at the planetarium, and I fell asleep, so I don't know what happened. What happened?
You fell asleep the whole thing?
Yeah. What happened? I just talked about the planet, I think. I don't know. I fell asleep. But we're now in the rainforest, which is cool. I remember they're talking about stars. That's it. But we're in the rainforest right now, so let's show them. Come on.
But I heard you in the middle laughing.
Oh, that's because Grandma fell asleep too. My grandma fell
And then
asleep
you fell
too.
back asleep?
But we're currently at the 4th floor. It's really cool because it's like many levels to go on. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. I wonder, oh, they have parrots here. Whoa. A leaf cutter ant. Ew. Those are gross. And there's
How's your mommy?
What are they doing? The butterfly sanctuary. You see all those butterflies? Let's go up. So we're now eating lunch, and this is what I'm eating. French toast, because it's not even 2 yet, so I can sell brunch. And she's eating chicken tenders, so I'm excited. Chicken fingers, chicken tenders. So after lunch, we went back to the museum. It's called the California Academy of Sciences Museum. We're now in line waiting for an earthquake, what is it called? Earthquake simulation. I like two of like the biggest earthquakes in San Francisco, I think. Right? There's like whole earthquake exhibit over here. And we're gonna go inside of here and feel the earthquakes. That's money.
Oh, I wouldn't eat one.
I want to throw up.
I would eat the baby one because it's really tiny.
Ew. My sister's saying she would eat them for money.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I did.
I said
so if you want to offer her a cockroach, sure.
I'm good.
And also I found the king. I found the king.
I'm saying
if
it was like the teeniest baby one, I would eat it for like more than $100.
Okay. And I found the king of Madagascar. What's his name again?
King Raphael.
Raphael. So I think we're done at the museum, so see you later. So we just finished going to the Painted Lady's house. I'm gonna post an Instagram picture. It'll already be up by the time this video is up. But now, I went to the Painted Ladies, and that's where they filmed, or that's where they had the Full House. I think it's a blue one, I'm pretty sure. I think. And I'm not really like a Full House fan. I just wanted to go because really like those like style of houses here in San Francisco. So I wanted to go. So I took a picture in front of them and a selfie. And yeah, but I didn't vlog it because it was a really quick thing because there's like no parking today. So now we're probably gonna go get some ice cream, and then I don't know what we're gonna do after that. Oh, we have to pick up our ceramic painting things we did at that pottery place, so we still have to do that too. So yeah, so that is it for today's vlog. It's a little late now and I needed to say goodbye, so I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and thank you so much for watching today. See you later. Bye.